Get him! Dang! Yes! Oh no! Oh man! Come on, faster! Oh, no way! In a minute! I wonder who that is.
Mr. Vince Dakota?
Yeah?
There's a delivery for you.
Ha! Cool!
Please sign right here.
Alright, thanks. Have a good day. Aw, sweet! There's a letter too. Dear Vince, happy birthday. The other day I was in Chinatown, and I bought you a new Wii and a 3-in-1 game pack. Hope you enjoy it. Tommy. Wii, huh? Wow, I guess he did make it up for not coming to my birthday party. Ren Shin Tong Wii. Okay. Why is everything in Chinese? There's probably an English instruction list inside the box. English, English, English. Aha! Plug some wire in TV. Set up now, console right. Don't overheat game or blow up. Enjoy fun, good time. Translation by Google Language Translator. Ah, jeez, Tommy. Doesn't even come to my party and sends me a fake Chinese Nintendo Wii? Oh wait, there's a game inside. 3-in-1 video game extension CD, Call of Duty, Street Fighter NK Edition, and Tetris Survival Mode. Seriously? Buys me knockoff Chinese version of these games and gives them to me? Ugh, whatever. Let me set this up and try it. Just hope it doesn't blow me up. And play. Holy crap! What the hell was that?
欢迎任天堂 Wii。Welcome to the 任天堂 Wii。普通话请按1。For English, press 2.
English please?
Sorry, they did not understand. I do. Please press button.
Okay. Holy barnacles, Batman. This better be a dream.
Welcome to the Wii box. My name is Davis. You are right now inside the game.
Inside the where?
This is the 3D interface, real-time game console. You are the main character for every game. To proceed, please say your game number.
No. Look, Mr. Davis, this is all a big mistake. Please let me leave. This is all freaking me out. That's all I want.
Game number 1. Okay. Loading Call of Duty.
What? No!
Hey buddy, you alright?
What the? Where am I?
It doesn't matter where you are right now. All that matters is that we need to get to our objective to finish this mission. You with me?
No, not really. Who the hell are you?
Private First Class Jojo, Unification Army, at your service, Captain.
Captain? Me? No. Look, I'm not your captain, and I don't know what the hell you're on about. You've got to believe me. I was dragged here by some stupid Chinese game. Holy cow! Is that an arm? Is that his brain? Where the hell is going on?
It's the rebels! Muster a counterattack! Charge!
The rebels? What rebels? Oh my god! Holy shizzle, there's so many of them! What's with this dramatic soundtrack? Davis, get me out of here!
Okay. Extracting you from Wait, please.
Thank you, Davis. I can't believe...
Loading. Please wait.
What? Loading where? Davis, just let me leave!
Game transfer completed. Stand by for teleportation.
No! Davis, no! Oh God, Davis, I'm going to flip and murder you when I...
Street Fighter North Korean Adventure. Developed in 1995 by North Korea Technology. 8-bit version. Updates unavailable.
What the...
Choose your opponents. Admiral Kim Jong-il, General Kim Jong-il, Crown Prince Kim Jong-il, Supreme King Kim Jong-il, and Kim Jong-il the original.
Really? Really, North Korea? Look, I don't know who you are or what you want, but...
Shut up and choose!
Whoa, alright, fine. One game, and then I'm out of here. And why is everyone in this game Kim Jong-il?
You dare challenge the great comrade leader Kim Jong-il? All hail our great supreme commander!
Now I'm stuck fighting some glorious leader who threatens to nuke half the world. This shouldn't be a challenge.
Ready? Fighter!
Bring it on, Kim! Watch out! Whoa! That was close. Kung Pao! Why are his punches so fast? Oh, come on! His punches and kicks aren't that powerful in real life. This game is so rigged. What the hell is with this North Korean propaganda? Is that even necessary?
Activating God mode!
God mode? Seriously? Hey Davis! Is that even allowed to be in the game?
According to my records, Kim Jong-il is the prime creator, editor, level designer, supporter, producer, manufacturer, sound designer, writer, animator, translator, audio engineer, and the main character. As far as this, he deserves God mode.
Oh, screw this. I'm not ready to die today. Davis, change the game, please.
Understood. Extracting you from current location. Wait, please note that anytime a game crashes, there will be exit doors that spawn in different locations. Please use this to exit the game before the game crashes.
Huh, finally away from all this. Davis, thanks for helping me, but I would kind of like to leave now.
Welcome to Tetris Survival Mode, Mother Russia style.
To what? Do you mean Tetris?
No! Tetris is only one rule, survive.
Wait, what? No, that's not the rules of Tetris. There are blocks you control on...
Game will begin in 3, 2, 1. Good luck, my comrade gamer. Поехали!
What the hell? What is that falling down? Wait, what? Why is there huge chunks of blocks falling down on me? I thought this was Tetris. Am I inside the game itself? Oh my god! What? No! What is going on?
Окей, ну что, слабо, We do difficult mode now. Release the silent mode.
Oh, screw this. I'm out of here. Davis! Wait, I see an exit. I better get out of here before one of these fall on top of me.
Captain, you're back.
Okay, I'm in command now. Order the retreat back to whatever base you guys came from so we can all leave and go home. Sounds good?
What do you want about, sir? There is no base. When we die, we spawn back here.
Oh my god, Captain, look over there. There's an army of tyrannical North Koreans running towards us from the door you came from.
What? Oh god, no!
We are back to fight for North Korea and our great leader Kim Jong-il. Forward, my brothers! Victory or death!
Oh my god, what's happening?
Heads up! Incoming artillery!
Hey, товарищ! Я вернулся! Did you miss me? I'm back!
Oh no, not the Tetris! Davis! Davis, help! You gotta get me out of here!
Connection error. Please reboot system to the operating.
What? No, no, no! God damn it! They killed Davis!
Connection error. Please reboot system.
I'm not dying today!
And so, there it was. Vince the Great, friend of Tommy the Unreliable, who led the final attack on the unstoppable army of Kim Jong-il's street fighters, while under the heavy bombardment from the Tetris pieces descending from the stormy sky, he began to fight his way out of this endless carnage to finally achieving his goal of going home.
Davis! Davis! Hello?
Hey Vince, it's Tommy. Did you get my package? Hope you enjoyed the game I sent you.
Tommy, don't ever send anything to me ever again, capiche?
Vince? Vince, you alright? Oh, come on, that cost me $50. Vince, let's play together sometime, yeah? I mean, it won't kill you. Vince.